कैसा है? हाँ ठीक है ना? हाँ अरे आप लोग कहाँ रहता? यहाँ ये यहाँ अच्छा मैं थोड़ा हाँ इधर अच्छा 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 है हो आप लोग थोड़ा क्या क्या बोलेगा पकड़ो एक बार पकड़ो यहाँ में देखो अच्छा ये ले लो हाँ हम लोग आप लोग शेयर करो हाँ वो भी दे दो हाँ सब खत्म है क्या मेरा खत्म खत्म एक बार अच्छा मेरा पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है ये बाय 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 नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आए तो मैं आएगा बाय 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 So it's good to meet them, but I don't know how to speak Hindi, so sorry. My kid has arrived, so let me just find out. So thank you once again. See you guys. I'm heading home. I just missed one part. They are asking me from which country I am from. I said I'm from two country near US and Canada boundary. Just kidding. I told them I'm from Manipur, I'm from Northeast India, so they are surprised because I'm the only Northeast guy in this marathon. They're just surprised to see me, I guess, to see someone different.
21225, congratulations. इन्होंने 21 किलोमीटर कंप्लीट किया 1 hour.
Finally, I got the trophy. It's third. I got the third position in 21.1 kilometers marathon in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So it's my first time marathon and it's a good experience. Oh, nice! I got this medal. So congratulations to me. It's nothing big, but I just wanted to share this video with you guys to let you know that nothing is too hard. If we just keep trying, we will land somewhere, even if you cannot reach the top. So I'm happy running. So this is it. So see you next time. I hope if I run more marathons or if I go for any more competitions, I'll just update it. Even if I cannot win it, still I'll update it. I'll upload it to inspire the youths, the young athletes of our society. So mas hanya hello. So as let me just keep it private for myself, those cash prize and whatever. So don't ask me how much I got it. So I'll just show you the trophy and some of the nutrition drinks, bag and whatever. So I'm just showing that. So let's keep running. It's good for health. It's good for our mind as well. So thank you. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to follow my page. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. You guys are always there for me every time. Thank you so much. My videos are not that good. It might not be up to your expectation, but still, thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by to my page, my YouTube channel. Thank you, everyone. Peace.